Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Amber, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at a PR package and testing out some fake lashes from the Beauty Sorority. The Beauty Sorority is a Black-owned indie cosmetic company primarily specializing in fake lashes. Full disclosure, these products have been sent to me for free, but I am not being paid to make this post, and all of the opinions are still my own. And the Beauty Sorority has been kind enough to gift my followers with a discount code. If you're interested in checking out their website, use code AMBER for 30% off anything from their site. Without further ado, let's go ahead and pop into the package. We do have the main event, which are the lashes, which we will take a look at in just a second. I do want to note that they threw in a couple of little brushes, both of which are super cool. That is so sweet for them to send those. And then the main product itself that you can actually purchase for yourself from the Beauty Sorority. These are the Everyday Chic Lashes, which will run you about $9.99 on their website, unless you want to use my code, and then you can get 30% off, which is the number. I can't do math. We will go ahead and go right into it. First of all, I cannot express how cute the packaging for these lashes are. We have them in a little plastic luggage case that's actually functional too, because it has wheels that spin and a little handle that gets pushed up. So I will honestly be using the package after the lashes are no good anymore, most likely as a little container for any jewelry that I take while traveling or things like that. And it has a little luggage case which does tell you the name of the lash. Like I said, I have the Everyday Chic Lash, but they do have three main options on their website, ranging from $9.99, this one is the cheapest. They have a $12.99 and a $14.99 one as well. On the front, they've got the little sticker letting you know what the brand is from. You pop it open and have the inside, which, okay, first of all, super adorable. We do have this little pink glittery tissue paper at the bottom, the lashes themselves, some little gemstones that come in the packaging. I don't believe the gemstones come in the actual products that you buy. I do think that's a little bit of PR fluff. Then you get the lashes themselves, as well as a cute little baby pink spoolie to use for them. I seriously can't even at how freaking cute these are. Look how cute this, I seriously cannot even comprehend how cute these are and how stoked I was when they reached out to collab with me, because I've seen products like these before. I don't actually know if it was from their Instagram or if it was another Instagram, but I have seen the fake lashes in the little suitcases online before and actually had them saved as a product to try in the future. With all of that talking about the actual packaging, I am going to be trying out a full makeup look with the lashes and seeing how well they work, you know, how easy they are to apply, all of the actual proper review stuff you need to know. that is my makeup look that I chose to go with these lashes. The look overall was inspired very much by the Beauty Sorority's Instagram page. Actually, it does have a majorly, you know, kind of like cyber Y2K kind of aesthetic to it. I absolutely love it. But there we have it. The lashes actually applied really, really well, really easily. I didn't have any issues with them at all, which is incredibly surprising because I myself am horrible at applying fake lashes. But here we are. They actually look good. I do think that they go really, really well with this particular look as well. They are much more wispy and dramatic towards the outsides than I was expecting. Here. They definitely they give me almost bird vibes. I don't know why, just very wispy towards the outsides. I am definitely a huge fan. And this is coming from someone, I don't wear fake lashes, ever, because I've never actually been able to get them to work and look okay. When I realized that I had to create a makeup look using these guys, I definitely did a little bit of practicing and found that the trick is to do a liquid liner underneath so that any mistakes or mess ups or, you know, gaps that you might see are completely invisible from a distance. And then I had to learn how to do liquid liner because I'm also horrible at that. I'm allegedly a beauty influencer, and yet I can't do anything beauty wise. It's fine, we're learning, it's good. But no, I definitely think that the liquid liner, one, I feel like I actually did okay, first of all, go me. But I do also think that my choice of liner length and style went really well with the lashes as well. Overall, I do not have any complaints whatsoever. Oh, and for anybody curious, I'm literally using this tiny itty bitty little thing of lash glue that I got in another pair of lashes because the Beauty Sorority does not include any adhesives or lash glue, so keep that in mind if you are wanting to purchase it. Definitely get a thing of lash glue on the side. Overall, I am incredibly satisfied with these lashes. I was gonna say with this purchase, and then I remembered the whole point of this is that it was PR. I didn't have to pay for them, but I would definitely pay $10 for these lashes. Quite frankly, I would pay $10 for this packaging. I mean, no, I wouldn't because I'm broke. But if I had money, I would pay $10 for this packaging, let alone actually high quality, cute, easy to use lashes that came with it. I am honestly ecstatic. Okay, it is super weird how overpowering the lashes are because at least from what I can see in the viewfinder of the camera, unless I have my eyes closed or unless I have my face and my eyes really, really wide, the lashes almost hide the pink, which is funny because I thought the pink was super dramatic and went out quite far, but apparently so do the lashes. So do keep that in mind if you are planning on using these lashes. You definitely want to go super bold with whatever eye look you do if you're not going for a neutral slash darker look, you know. Also, okay, I love that these particular lashes are supposed to be the least dramatic out of all of them. I would definitely be super curious to see what the other two lashes look like because this is I feel like these are super dramatic, but you know, maybe to people who wear lashes regularly they're not so much. I don't know. I find them to be just the perfect little flair for the dramatic, but still super wearable. I would not at all mind leaving the house and going out like this. Granted, I mean, I wouldn't if they were more dramatic either because I just don't really care that much, but you know what I mean. I would like to say a huge thank you to the Beauty Sorority for sending me these products and for wanting to collaborate with me. If anybody is interested in checking out their shop, please remember to use code AMBER for 30% off of your purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a blast hanging out with y'all. Peace.